Pat Robertson, a televangelist and Christian fundamentalist who's long opposed abortion rights, says the new anti-abortion bill in Alabama is too extreme to survive in the Supreme Court.
Alabama is enacting the country's toughest abortion laws, threatening life in jail for doctors who perform the procedure. Furious outrage after Alabama passes a law essentially banning abortions by penalizing any doctors who perform them. The measure cleared the Republican state Senate 25-6, making it a Class A felony for a doctor to perform an abortion at any stage of pregnancy, even if the fetus is the result of rape or incest. The only exception is when the pregnancy puts the mother's life in danger. Sponsor Terry Collins is openly hoping opponents will challenge the law in court, which could ultimately put it in the hands of the conservative Supreme Court and launch a debate over abortion rights.
It's designed in every way to do just that. That's why we were trying to keep it just as it was to address the issue that Roe v. Wade was decided on, which is that baby in the womb a person.
Even some Democrats are willing to roll the dice, believing the courts will strike down this measure without touching Roe v. Wade.
I think this bill has too many flaws in it, and maybe it's the best thing that it goes up there and it doesn't get affirmed.
The issue is sure to permeate the 2020 election cycle. Presidential candidate Kamala Harris is calling out Republicans for inconsistency when it comes to women's health.
And this is the same state and the same kind of people who also stand in the way of what women need in terms of a ban on pre-existing conditions to have access to issues like prenatal care. Like, they need to check their hypocrisy.
Well, Governor Ivey signed the measure into law today. He says the bill stands as a powerful testament to Alabamians' deeply held belief that every life is precious and that every life is a sacred gift from God.